Hi everybody. Welcome back. Today I want to talk a little bit about a little piece of writing that I'm going to ask you to do. Today you read, along with YouTube, the memory string, and you recorded at least 3 items from your house that you have some memories on. And I was able to, I'm a little behind on looking at some of your writing, but as I was looking through some, I was noticing your um, 3 items. What I'm going to ask you to do for today is just pick one of those 3 and you're going to write a little bit about them. And again, this is going to go into your journal. And some of you have been writing your memoir and writing about your quarantine time. Fabulous. The more writing, the better. Okay, some of you are getting up to 9, 10 pages in that journal. I am very, very impressed with you. Please keep up the wonderful work. I happen to pick my teddy bear. Okay, I have a wonderful teddy bear. I'll go grab him. Here's my teddy bear. I had him since I was a baby. There's not much left of him, honestly, but he gives me a lot of security even now, and I had some really tough times in my life. My dad gave him to me when I was a baby, and my dad worked second shift and multiple shifts, and when he come home from work, he'd rock me to sleep, I guess, and rock me with this little bear. It's got a sock cover even on it. So I chose to write about him because he means a lot to me. Tear-stained, hole-worn, and deferred, my limp black and white teddy bear lays on a shelf in my closet. My black and white friend, no bigger than my foot, traveled every night in my crib, then my bed until I graduated, and then escorted me to college, keeping a wise eye over me every night. Somewhere through the ages, he underwent major surgery, having his face replaced with a sock and the music box in his backside extracted, only to be sewn up once again. Through breakups and lost dogs and unfair parent decisions, he has been my constant friend. Even as an adult, I hold tight to him in moments of pain and sadness. Without a doubt, my poor beat-up, nameless old friend will follow me when I someday enter a nursing home. With him by my side, I believe that old friends are sometimes the best of friends. All right, one of the skills I wanted to tell you about today was based off of a lot of the writing that I have been seeing, which has been phenomenal. You guys have done wonderful with those verbs, picking a small moment in time, and I do realize I broke from that in this one. As well as doing quite a bit with similes. I'm very impressed with those. One of the tools I wanted to add to your kit here is working on sentences, okay? And you might want to have some longer sentences and some shorter sentences, okay? In addition to starting off with some phrasing. For example, through breakups and lost dogs and unfair parent decisions, right? He has been my constant friend. Okay, starting sometimes, do I have one in here? With a verb. I don't. Here I start with an adjective, tear-stained, hole-worn, and deferred, my limp black and white teddy bear. It's not always subject verb. I might want to say something like, grasping my teddy bear, I hug him tight, right? Grasping would be a verb, okay? And then you need to have a complete sentence after that verb phrase. I hug him tight. So if you would like more help with that, and if you would like ever to talk to me, please just email me. Most of you have my text number. You've been texting back and forth with me. Please, please, please contact me. I would love to visit with you during a Google Meet. Some of you have already. If you're lonely and want somebody to talk to, or if you just want to talk, please let me know. I will set up a Google Meet with you. As you know, I had 2 open times this week. Next week, I'm looking into changing that up a little bit because I guess the times didn't quite coordinate with what was best, and I'll keep on working for the sweet spot. But I will make myself available to you as much as I possibly can if you let me know that you want to spend some time meeting with me. Again, this is going to be one of the last rough draft memoirs. We're going to start working on revisions very, very soon so that we have one amazing piece of work that really shows some intensity along with the best of your writing. Oh, please make sure you put this into your journal. Have a great day.